stay safe in here, okay? Yeah. It's very raining. Yeah. You think we'll survive the rainstorm? Huh? I see. I see. So, just let me go find that puppy, okay? Sorry, I'd have to go out in the rain. But this cannot take any longer. Guys, this ain't gonna take anyone so far. So, I'm literally in the rain right now, and it's storming. So I need to make sure I gave all the puppies their little pettings. I gave all of them a petting, all the dogs, everything. I'm just here with the puppy and the kitten. I'm getting ready to go back on the porch, okay? Evie, I'm going on the porch. Okay, we're on the porch. You little kitten. Okay, I'm trying to keep